All right, for our next vocab words, the first one is caliphate. A caliphate is a state under the leadership of an Islamic leader who has a title of caliph. So a caliph is basically a king. Caliphate basically means kingdom. And this would be an Islamic kingdom, or a kingdom under the religion of Islam. And of course, remember, Muslims are the people, and Islam is the religion. Dar al-Islam. Dar al-Islam was the territory of Islam in the post-classical period, from 600 to 1450. It was a region of Muslim rule where Islamic law prevailed. We see here Dar al-Islam. All of this territory was pretty much under what would be called Islamic rule, or rule by Muslim kings using laws that were made by Muslims called Sharia law.